What is going on? Welcome back to Trending Stocks. Today I want to talk to you about SoFi. I want to give you a quick overview of some of the current data points, what is really happening today, and go over everything else you need to know. But first, make sure to hit that thumbs up. And with that, let's get right to it. Currently, SoFi is up 0.31%. It's already been a very volatile day, so it had 644 as the low, $6.60 as the high. And so today there's been no news, no SEC filings, just simply piggybacking off of the broader market, which largely is red because of retail sales. So retail sales did come out today, not necessarily the best, so came in at 0.1, forecast was 0.3, so wasn't again the best for that, but needless to say, as of yesterday there was some entity buying SoFi, and lo and behold, that's actually what has caused all of this kind of upward momentum. So starting off, looking right here, these are some of the transactions that have occurred so far on the secondary market above $100,000, and based on the bid, the ask, and the selling price, majority of the transactions done yesterday as well as today were buys. And so today there was a couple big ones, 1.61 million, and then you did have a couple right here, so 7.27 million and 3.23 million. So some entity out there is buying SoFi. I don't know if it's good old Cathie Wood or someone else, but at the same time you're also having shorts return some shares. So right now we're turning around 904,000 shares. So you have a large entity buying, which is adding buying pressure clearly, and then shorts returning, which is also adding buying pressure. So that's, lo and behold, kind of what has happened here. This shorts right now I think are starting to increase a small amount. It does take about 15-minute delay to actually see the intraday on that, but right now they are returning 904.63 thousand shares. 17.65% of the free float is being shorted. Works out to be 183.36 million shares overall are being shorted, and that equates to $1.19 billion. So pretty crazy stuff. Utilization 74.85, and then cost to borrow average is a little bit higher than yesterday. So last trading day, 1.28%. So all in all, pretty exciting day. Like I said, it is pulling back slightly right now, but I think that has to do more so with the broader market at the same time rather than anything. Looking at options today so far, 1.66 million in calls, 620 in puts. And just to give you a quick overview of this, so market makers did open up a lot of the options, as you can kind of see. So now there is $2.50 and $3 strike prices. And I can't remember if 350 was already there or if that's also another new one. But beside the point though, you do see a lot of call options being purchased around that 650. So as usual, you kind of just see a lot of hedging, and just that's the nearest strike price, right? So a lot of people are just doing that. Looking at the open interest though, currently you do have 7,000 at that 6 for this upcoming Friday, so that wall is starting to be built. So I don't know what is really anticipated. There's no data points coming out this week that could cause some, I guess, volatility in the broader market or any negativity. So again, something to kind of just keep in mind, but 7,000 at that 6, and then 23,000 at that 650, and then 57 at that 7. So kind of crazy to see a lot of the options activity and just the straight out manipulation happening with SoFi. So let me know your thoughts on SoFi, and give yourself a shout out if you have been buying, if you've been selling, and what you have been doing. So yeah, all in all, pretty exciting day. A lot of abnormal activity similar to the last several trading days as well. But right now with it at $6.48, as I mentioned in my pre-market video, it is just simply trading between these 2 points. So this S2 and this S1, so $6.45 will be that next strong support that you want to watch for SoFi to hold. Kind of bounced off of that general area today. And then on the flip side, $6.50 is going to be that artificial resistance brought on by the options, that strike price. And then as you can kind of see, the S1, $6.69 is going to be that next strong resistance based off of that. So let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I always greatly appreciate that. This was a very short and sweet video, but I just wanted to pop on, go over some of the things that I find abnormal, and just to kind of give you an overview of why it is going up and very volatile. So without further ado, I appreciate all you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and with all that, appreciate all of you watching.